Number 1.
1971 Chevrolet C10, price $13,100. This is a remarkable example of a classic American truck, boasting just 6,700 miles on its odometer.
Powered by a robust 400 CUN V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 12-bolt rear end, this truck delivers both power and reliability.
The striking orange exterior has been recently repainted, giving it a vibrant and fresh appearance that turns heads on the road. Inside, the custom brown leather interior adds a touch of luxury, complemented by an upgraded stereo system and modern digital gauges for a contemporary driving experience.
This Chevrolet C10 is in excellent mechanical condition, with no issues reported, and all systems functioning perfectly. It features good tires and an exceptionally clean presentation, both inside and out, making it a standout choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 2.
1986 Ford F-150, price $15,000, with just 65,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a tan interior, and powered by gasoline, it's a well-preserved West Coast beauty that has never experienced winter weather, evident in its excellent body and undercarriage condition. A brand new Jasper rebuilt engine was professionally installed this past summer by Tom Williams at TDC Auto in Saugerties, with less than 100 miles driven on the fresh engine. The new engine, equipped with a Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection kit, comes with a 3-year warranty. This truck's previous owner invested significant time and resources into it, with extensive work documented by accompanying paperwork.
Number 3.
1980 Chevrolet C10, price $11,500. This is a striking hot rod that exudes both style and power.
With a 5.7L V8 engine under the hood, this truck delivers an exhilarating driving experience.
Its exterior is finished in an eye-catching red, while the gray interior has been meticulously maintained and looks as good as new. Significant investments have been made to enhance this vehicle, with attention to both the body and paintwork, ensuring a sleek and polished appearance. The interior has been completely refreshed, offering modern comfort while maintaining the classic appeal of the truck. Powered by gasoline, this C10 is not just a reliable performer but also a standout in any setting.
Number 4.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $11,000, featuring an eye-catching orange exterior paired with a tan interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, having traveled a total of 158,100 miles. Under the hood, it boasts a built ProCharged 5.0 motor, delivering impressive power and performance.
The transmission is a built automatic with overdrive, complemented by 4.10 gears for enhanced drivability and efficiency.
Its coilover suspension system ensures a smooth ride, making it a great choice for both daily driving and spirited adventures. In addition to its mechanical upgrades, the truck comes with fully functional heating and air conditioning, providing comfort in any climate.
The owner frequently drives this Ranger, a testament to its reliability and performance.
With no rush to sell, the truck reflects a careful balance of power, practicality, and comfort.
Number 5.
1985 GMC C30, price $11,000, features a 454 engine with 126,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its exterior and interior are both finished in brown, maintaining a classic and cohesive look.
This truck is almost entirely original, with headers being the only modification.
It runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts or collectors.
However, there are a few areas that need attention.
The headliner requires replacement, the tailgate and passenger side rocker panel have rust issues, and the passenger side rear fender needs a 2-inch fiberglass repair.
Additionally, the dashboard is cracked, reflecting the truck's age. Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $14,500. This is a rare Regency sport truck classic, known for its excellent condition and original paint. Having traveled 203,000 miles, this truck features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and has been meticulously maintained. The mileage, averaging 6,500 miles per year, consists entirely of highway driving. This Silverado has never been involved in any wrecks or undergone major repairs, further emphasizing its well-preserved state. Additionally, it is equipped with Boyd Coddington wheels, valued at $1,016 each, adding to its distinctive appeal.
Number 7.
1991 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $13,800. With 145,400 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and remains a reliable choice for both work and leisure. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it features a striking dark red exterior complemented by a red interior, giving it a bold and cohesive look. Powered by a V8 engine, the Silverado runs on gasoline and embodies the durability Chevy trucks are known for. This truck is enhanced with several upgrades, including fuel rims D5 1720x10 wheels with a 24mm offset, paired with Yokohama Geolandar M/T tires, which have less than 3,000 miles of use. The interior boasts a modern touch, featuring a 9-inch Pioneer radio with Apple CarPlay and 4 new Kicker CS Series 4x6 speakers for an upgraded audio experience.
Number 8.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $13,000, with 88,000 miles on the odometer.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The truck features a striking orange exterior paired with a beige interior, embodying the timeless design of the era. The original diesel engine was replaced with a 350 small block due to the diesel's difficulty starting in colder months. This replacement engine offers reliable performance and ensures the truck starts without issues, regardless of the temperature. Owned for the past 3 years, the truck remains largely original, with all components, apart from the engine, still in place. It has proven to be a turnkey vehicle, ready to drive with no delays or issues each time it's started. While there is some minor rust on the hood, this can be easily addressed by a custom body shop located in Hyde Park. The 1978 C10 continues to offer a smooth driving experience, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a solid and classic American truck.
Number 9.
1976 Chevrolet C20, price $14,995. This is a well-preserved classic truck with only 59,650 miles, showcasing both its age and excellent care. Under the hood, it's powered by a V8 engine mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission, offering a smooth driving experience with rear-wheel drive. The truck's exterior is a sleek beige, which complements the beige interior, giving it a timeless and cohesive look. This truck is equipped with a variety of desirable features, such as a chrome front bumper and chrome mirrors, adding to its overall appeal. The rubber floor mats provide practicality, and the dual fuel tanks ensure greater range for long drives. Inside, the bench seat offers ample comfort, while the AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and AUX input gives the truck modern entertainment options. Having been owned by a non-smoker, this C20 has been well taken care of, running and driving excellently.
Number 10.
1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $11,000. This is a government truck previously used by the California Forestry Service. With only 78,500 miles on the odometer, this truck features a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The exterior and interior are both finished in green, giving it a distinctive and clean appearance.
It's a 2-wheel drive model, and despite its service history, it runs smoothly with no rot or significant damage.
The truck is super clean, making it a reliable and solid choice for anyone looking for a tough, dependable vehicle.